All right, friends, Christmas is over. It is a whole new year, so it's time to take this Christmas tree down. And I'm going to show you what we're going to go ahead and do with this beautiful Christmas tree right here. So I have the tree all disassembled. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this outside. Let me know down in the comments what your traditions are when it comes to Christmas. This is a live tree that has roots. So we're gonna be able to plant this tree outside. We have done fake trees, trees that you buy at the tree farm and then you just throw away. And we also last year went up to our mountain and cut down our own tree. So this is going to be our new family tradition. Every year we will get a live tree that we can then go put outside and plant, and we can just have tons of Christmas trees growing around our property. Let me know down in the comments what your traditions are at Christmas time.
Fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street. With Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore.
All right, friends, so we went ahead and got this tree planted now in the ground. This was a heavy tree. We could not lift it. We had to do all the rolling and then use the dolly to get it to and from the house. Heavy, heavy tree, but it looks good. All right, friends, so if you want a tree like this, which is a live tree that has roots that you can then plant after Christmas, and you live in Eastern Kentucky, go check out Laurel Gardens in Corbin, Kentucky. That's where I got this tree, and every Christmas they have tons of these trees that you can go ahead and purchase. Plus, they have so much other things in springtime that you can go and buy. Check out their website. I'm going to go ahead and drop it down in the description, and go ahead and check them out and give them a like. Alright friends, so this is a tree that we bought last year, and it is staying very small inside this pot, so we're going to go ahead and take it out and transplant it next to this other Christmas tree, and eventually we're going to have a whole line of Christmas trees going right along the creek. Grab from the bottom, Josh. There you go. Alright, put it by the hole. Yeah. Perfect. Alright friends, did we just plant our first tree of 2023? I think we did. Alright friends, so I want to do a giveaway because there have been so many more new subscribers that have joined, and I can't thank you all enough for coming along on our journey. I've got a Ladies Farm hat here that I want to go ahead and give away to a lucky subscriber. All I need you to do is hashtag homesteading down in the comments, as well as tell me your family tradition for Christmas. All right, friends, good luck. All right, friends, so the cutoff for our giveaway will be Tuesday, January 3rd at noon Eastern Standard Time, and then we will go ahead and announce our winner on Wednesday's video, Wednesday the 4th. All right, friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all had a wonderful New Year's. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day. Happy New Year!